Hi, my name is Elise Espinosa. I am a local entrepreneur. I own Stateline Designs. I do sports-inspired apparel. We've been in business since 2014, and today we're here teaching how to build a T-shirt brand for young entrepreneurs. I made a shirt for a concert, and I was able to pay off my machines in 1 month from one shirt that I made. Okay, try to pull it from that side. Yeah, I've again, we're talking about other kind of businesses, but Disney is such a huge, here, print it one more time on there. A friend of mine, she started making Disney ears, those like ears that you wear to Disney, and she does, sports ones, she does, whatever. Now, this is gonna go this way. So you're gonna try to set, I use this as like my center, and then go a little bit lower. Yeah. Okay, let me see. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, you can press it once. Anybody? Not yet. So we're pressing it to get the wrinkles out and to just kind of heat it up. Okay, you can let it up. Then you're gonna get your artwork. Okay, we're gonna flip it. We're gonna try to center it. Center it. Let's go a little bit more this way. And you're gonna have to pull down to put a lot of pressure on it, okay? There you go, good pressure, good. That's okay, that's even better. Honestly, the pressure's giving me some issues. Okay, let it go. Let's give it a minute before we peel it off. You see the steam on there? It's really hot. Okay. Okay, let's do it one more time for 5 seconds. Who's up? If you're up, you'll want to come start getting in line. Okay. Lift it. Okay, now try to lift from this side slowly. If you see any ink picking up, then we'll just put it back down before you get farther. But we're gonna. Looks good. Wait a minute. Let's let it cool. That was my water, right? Let it go. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Watch out, Lucas. Let him do it one more time, and then we're gonna pull from that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then here, try and slowly pull it from this side. On top, just to seal it. Yeah, press it one more time, 3 seconds is fine. Cool. Perfect. All right, that's your tea. All right, everyone got a tea? I put my Instagram on there, my email address, so if y'all have questions with anything, I know I shared some resources, but yeah, I wish I would have been able to take a class like this to learn. Actually, I did. I took a class in college that was a business class on how to write your business plan, how to do all of that, and I did not pay attention. And I took a class on how to build your business, how to do a business plan, literally an entire semester on how to write a business plan and how to build a business. And I didn't pay it. I completed the class. However, I didn't never think I'd own a business. I'm like, oh, that's too much work. I don't want a business. So I didn't pay attention like I should have paid attention, and I really regret not having that information, because I ended up starting a business on the side, and within 6 months of starting Stateline, I was doing better. I was making more money as a single mom. Lucas was 6 months old. I was making more money in the middle of the night printing shirts than I was at my full-time job in education. So I was able to leave my job after 6 months and start this and continue to do it. So pay attention if y'all, and I know that sounds weird, but I took a class and I didn't pay attention to it, but now having a program like this is so great. Having money, financial literacy, I didn't know any of that. My parents are Latino. That's not something our culture teaches. Like, our parents don't, they teach us how to work. I've been working since I was 15 and I've never stopped working. And that's something that's very important. And some of our family members, they're trying to raise you guys. I'm trying to raise my son. I never had, my parents love me and stuff like that, but they didn't teach me about financial literacy. They didn't teach me how to have a bank account. I didn't learn that until I was in college. And now my son, he's 12 and he has his own bank account. I'm teaching him, you work, you get paid. So he's learned a lot, and he's young, which is what I want to teach. So you guys have my information. Y'all can contact me. And yeah, good luck to everyone. And I hope your businesses are successful. And I pray over y'all's businesses.
Thank you.